Hello, my name is Duan Arley Vasquez. Activity for video presentation anecdotas speaker. What year is due before March 2020? The activities as wise done in the March 2020 were working and studying at night and play volleyball in my free time. What project were you working? I was working on community project to develop and prepare wild gardens. What activities were you doing? It did activities like playboard, volleyball, spock, spocking, going to movies. What here is students? I was I was stands sorry. I was studying accounting. We we hear you working. I was working in the sugar mill. What sport were you playing? The sport I was playing was volleyball. Who were you spending your free time with? What were you doing for fun? I serve my free time with my family, and what we did for fun was play board games, watch movies, and play video games. Thank you very much.